Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. And this video I will show you how to see the call history on your IMO app. First of all, open your IMO. Here you can see the person icon on the top right corner. Tap on the person icon. Here you can see the option call history. Tap on the call history to see the call history on your mobile phone. In my device, no calls yet. If you have any calls on IMO app in your mobile phone, you can see all the calls on here. By doing this, you can see all the calls you done and you received on the IMO app. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.